coming back for the workshop, and much awaited workshop. How many of you were waiting for this particular workshop? Quite a lot of hands in the air. Nice. Oriented towards asanas, and now today we're going to learn something more about our face. How many of you, actually all of you already have a good glow on your face? Why do you need face yoga? I'm muting all of you, yeah? Why do you need face yoga? All of you are already glowing. I see glowing skin. We should all be doing face ads, I think. Look at all of you. Just look, I'm not kidding. Look at all of your colleagues on the speaker view. I'm sorry, on the gallery view.
For our students.
Or it's that perfect lighting or something.
I want to the same glowing on my students, friends, and family. That's why I want to that.
One ball, one sixer. Oh my goodness. Good one, Suparna ji. Okay, let's not delay. So today we are here for face yoga. We have two very amazing trainers, one among the senior trainers at Bodhi Yoga Academy. So let me tell you how it's going to work. So I'm going to hand over the session to her. She's to both the trainers. They're going to take over until 7 p.m. After 7 p.m., we're going to have a link shared to all of you for the certificates. For the ones who just joined in today, will need to know that we give you certificates for joining the workshop. Okay, yeah. So you will receive a link from me at about 771. Please make sure that you take down the link exactly as the spellings as it is. Otherwise, you will not be able to. And then you will message me saying, ma'am, something went wrong. Like exactly like the way it says when you type in wrong spellings, yeah? After that, we will have a question and answer session regarding face yoga, please. Do not ask about spine strengthening because it's not going to happen, okay? So it's about face yoga. If you have any questions, you can ask her. Until 7:30 only. We have to cut the session at 7:30. So please abide by the rules, and apologies for anybody whom we won't allow you to unmute yourself in between the session, okay? So with your permission, can I go ahead and mute all of you? Super. Thank you so much. I have muted all of you. If you have any questions, please make a note and we will address it a little later on. Yeah. Okay. So let me welcome Ina with us today. Welcome. Good evening, Ina ma'am. So nice to have you with us with that glowing face. And let me spotlight Sushil. Sushil is also here to take us through a wonderful face yoga workshop. And I'm handing over the session to you, Ina ma'am. Go ahead.
Everyone, Om Namah Shivaya. How are you all? All beautiful and smiling faces. So I'm Ina here and I'm a certified yoga trainer, expert, and I'll be teaching you and guiding you how you can increase your beauty more, okay? Have that natural glow and stop or age with that elegance and that glow, that natural glow what we can have, okay? So before that, let me just ask Sushil also to introduce herself to you all.
Namaste everyone. My name is Sushil Gautam and I'm a trainer at Bodhi, and I'm also a certified and a trained face yoga expert. And we all are here to guide you and take you to a beautiful journey in face yoga. Hope you enjoy your session.
Okay, so with this, let us all start the session. We'll start the session with the prayer. Let's all sit down comfortably, your spine straight and eyes closed. Joining our palms to the chest center. Breathe in. Sahana bhavatu. Sahano bhunaktu. Sahaviryam karvavahai. Tejasvinavadhitamastu. Ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Slowly rub your palms, generate heat. Feel the energy, feel the warmth. Gently cup your palms on your eyes, relaxing your facial muscles and eye muscles. Slowly and gently drop down your hands and open your eyes with a big and beautiful smile. Okay. So we'll be starting with the pranayama techniques. Doing pranayama will also help to detoxify and increase that glow on our face. Can someone tell me which is the best pranayama to have that natural glow on your face?
Nadi Shodha.
Kapalbhati, ma'am.
Kapalbhati, yes. It's Kapalbhati, okay? So doing Kapalbhati will get that natural glow because it cleanses your frontal brain, okay? So that is how the toxins are removed and that gives you a natural glow on your face. So we'll be doing Kapalbhati for 3 sets and then 30 strokes of 3 sets. Anyone going through the cycles, please avoid doing this. If you had your tea just half an hour, 45 minutes before, just take deep breath in and breathe out. Please avoid practicing that, okay? So let us all sit down comfortably. Keep your spine straight and eyes closed. Hands in chin mudra, palms facing upwards. Just take a normal breath in and out. One more normal breath in and out. Just breathe in and breathe out. Now breathe in and breathe out forcefully. As you breathe out forcefully, start flapping your belly muscles in and out for 30 counts. Start the practice. Inhale and exhaling out forcefully, pulling your belly muscles in and out. Continue till 30. Once you've done for 30, you may just relax. Just relax your breath and observe yourself. As you're observing yourself, prepare yourself for the second round. Again, inhale and start exhaling out forcefully, pulling your belly muscles in and out. Start the practice. And relax. Once you relax, just observe the sensations and changes. Prepare yourself for the last round. Again, inhale and start exhaling out forcefully, flapping your belly muscles in and out. Start the practice. Just relax, drop all your efforts. Observe the sensations and changes. Observe the heat in your body. Just breathe in, breathe out, and normalize your breath. We'll be doing one more beautiful pranayama, Nadi Shodhana pranayama. Adopt Chin Mudra on your left hand, Vishnu Mudra on your right hand. Closing your right nostril, inhale from the left nostril, exhale on the right. Again, you inhale from the right and exhale on the left. Start the practice. Closing your right nostril, slowly and deeply, gently inhale from the left. Closing your left nostril, exhale on the right. Again, inhaling from the right, exhale on the left. This is one round. Continue doing for a few more rounds. Let your breath be very slow and gentle. Do not force your breath. There should be no physical movement in your head. Try to keep your spine straight and head also straight. Keeping this as your last round, slowly and gently, you may drop all your efforts, exhaling on the left. Exhaling on the left, slowly and gently, you may drop all your efforts. Just observe your breath. Observe the sensations at both the nostrils. Observe how easily you're breathing in and breathing out. Slowly and gently, you may open your eyes. All feeling good and energetic? Yes? Okay, very good. There are so many videos off. Can I request you all to please switch on your videos because we are doing face yoga and I would like to see all your beautiful faces. I want everyone to switch on the videos, please. Thank you so much. Still waiting for many others to switch on. Okay. So before we start working on our face, can someone tell me what is face yoga? When you listen to the term face yoga, what do you understand by that? Yes, Priyanka. Unmute yourself, Priyanka. You're still on mute.
I'll have to unmute, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay.
So from what I understand from the term is that basically we would be utilizing all the facial muscles. We would be working with the facial muscles to get benefit from it.
Yes. So we are basically working on our facial muscles. As when you do body yoga, what do? When we do body yoga, we are toning our body. Yes. And we forget about our face. We are just toning our body. So when we are doing face yoga, we are toning our facial muscles. It will help to bring that natural glow on our face. Yes. And then lift, sculpt, tone, and help in lymphatic drainage in the face. So sometimes what happens, our face gets swollen up because the fluids, the toxins in our face are stored. So that's how the swelling happens. So when you do the lymphatic drainage, the swelling slowly comes down. Okay, so when you're doing face yoga, you are stimulating the facial muscles, tightening the skin and reducing the signs of aging. Definitely, we all want to age gracefully, right? Yes, we all want to age gracefully. Yes, with that glowing skin, and then definitely we want to hide our actual age. So with face yoga, when you do it regularly and religiously, definitely all these things are possible. We'll have that tight face, lifted and sculpted face. Okay. Benefits of doing face yoga: it improves the blood circulation throughout your face. It treats the hormonal imbalances, which leads to acne, wrinkles, uneven skin tone, because you're detoxifying through the lymphatic drainage that will help for a pure blood circulation and oxygenation in your face. So that is how the acne, wrinkles problems will be solved. It helps in lymphatic drainage, as I told you, helps in detoxification of facial skin, brings natural glow. Definitely more of oxygen, more of nutrient supply on your facial muscles. Definitely you'll have that glowing skin. Yes. And then it releases the tensions in the face and neck. So whenever, if your body is tensed, you're mentally tensed, the first signs of tension is seen. The first signs of tension is seen where? On our face. Yes. So when you do these, you're relaxing your facial muscles, you're reducing the tension and the signs of aging on your face. Okay. It firms and tightens the skin. Thereby it reduces the wrinkles as well. Okay, so this is just to let you know what are the benefits when you do the face yoga. So now, are you all ready for the practice? Excited to learn the techniques to keep that face glowing throughout? Very good. With beautiful smiles, let's all start. So first we'll be doing warm up. As we warm up our physical body, whenever you start any exercises, we'll be doing little warm up for our facial muscles as well to generate little heat. So let's start with our neck first. We'll breathe in and look up. You can follow me. Exhale and chin to the chest. Inhale and up. Exhale and chin to the chest. One more time. Inhale and up. Exhale and chin to the chest. Come back to center. Now with your right hand, you'll hold your left ear. Place your right hand on your left ear. Spine to be straight, neck to be straight. As you exhale, bend to the right side. Place your left hand on your left shoulder. Now keep pressurizing your left shoulder with your left hand. Feel that stretch on the left side of your neck. Hold there, keep breathing in, breathing out. All these will help to release the tension on your neck muscles. Slowly inhale and come up. Let's repeat it on the left. Placing your left hand on your right ear, right hand on your right shoulder. Exhale and bend to the left. Feel the stretch on the right side. Breathe in and breathe out. Be gentle with the movement. Keep pressurizing your right shoulder. Keep pulling it down with your right palm. Inhale and again slowly come up. Exhale and relax. Now let's do circular movements. We'll be doing 3 clockwise, 3 anti-clockwise, very gentle movement. Inhale and slowly go up from the right. Exhale and slowly come down. Continue the movement for 3 times. Very slow. Do not jerk your neck. You have to be very gentle whenever you're doing your neck movements. Once you've done for 3, you'll start taking reverse the other side from the left. You should feel and enjoy the movement of your neck muscles. Release the tension. Very slow movements. Very good. And relax. Now interlace your fingers. Interlace your fingers. Place your hands behind your neck. Now keep pushing your chest out and keep opening your elbows outward. Okay? Hold there now. Hold. Keep breathing in, breathing out. If you feel little hurt, pain on your neck, you may not push yourself too hard. Hold there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and slowly relax your arms and relax your shoulders. Now let's move on with our jaw. Let's get little flexibility on the jaw. We'll be opening and closing our lower jaw. We'll be moving the jaw like this. No, you're not straining your neck muscles. You're just opening and closing. You're moving your lower jaw. And relax. Now we'll move the jaw to the right and to the left. Anvita, smiling. Okay, relax. So do not feel shy because we'll be making many funny faces, okay? So just enjoy the practice, yeah? So after the jaw, let's warm up our cheeks. We'll blow air, 80% air on in our mouth, and then we'll be pushing air to the left and right like this. Keep doing. Enjoy the practice as if you're swishing your mouth. Excellent. Keep moving. Very good. Continue, continue. Continue. And relax. Relax. Are you feeling that stretch on your cheeks? Already started working, right? So because you're not used to using these facial muscles, that is how. Now let's just warm up our eyes. Keep closing and opening your eyes. Gently open and close, open and close. Keep doing that. Open and close your eyes. Very good. Open and close. And relax. Just relax. Start tapping on your forehead gently to activate the forehead muscles. Just start tapping. Keep tapping on your forehead, at the temples of your forehead. Keep tapping on your cheeks now. Come down towards your cheeks. This will help to activate the sleeping muscles, generate heat as well. Around your eyes, circular movements, gentle tapping. It has to be anti-clockwise. Come towards your neck. Come towards your neck. And relax. So now we've warmed up our face nicely. So always remember, whenever we are doing face yoga, we need a lubrication. Either you will use a face oil or moisturizer. Quickly, everyone, grab your moisturizer or face oil, whatever you use. Quickly, giving you 1 minute. Run, go get your oil and come back. Any oil, whatever suits your skin, or your moisturizer, daily moisturizer will also do. Quickly, come. All are back? Okay. So before applying, listen to the instructions, please. Before applying, listen to the instructions. Take little oil or moisturizer. Activate the oil or moisturizer. Rub your palms nicely. So when you rub it, that means you are generating heat, activating the product as well. Okay? Nicely rub, activate it. Now, how will you apply it on your face? We'll make a L. So you'll place your thumb under your chin and you'll make like as if you're shouting someone. So you'll place your fingers like this, stretch, place your palms on your cheeks, lift your cheeks up. One more time. Again, place it here. Placing your palms on your cheeks, lifting it up towards your cheekbones, upward and relax. One more time. Again, place it near the nose, slide and lift it up. Always remember, facial exercises, we are lifting our muscles upward because we do not want sagging skin, right? We have to lift the muscles up. Now for your forehead, with the base or butt of your thumb. This is known as the base or butt of your thumb. Just start swiping it on your forehead. Elbows will be up continuously for 1, 2, 3, 4. Elbows out. 5, 6. Continue. 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. And relax. Relax. So now let's do it near our eyes. So apply oil from the palms on the 2 fingers, your middle and your index finger. Make a A. Make A like this, elbows pointing out. Now slide under your eyes, stretch up and drain it down. Okay, wiggle your finger at the collarbone. We'll do it for 2 more times. Press at the tear duct, stretch, lift up and slide it down. 1 more time. Press, slide, lift and down. On the upper eyelid now. Make a V like this. So you'll be pressing the depth that is there. This is the acupressure point again here. Press it, slide, stretch up and slide it down. 1 more time. Press, stretch, up and down. Wiggle your finger at the collarbone. That means we are draining the toxins. 1 last. Press, stretch, lift and down. Drain it. Very good. Now we'll massage our neck. We'll make crosses. Okay. So 10, 20 crosses together we'll be making. So with your, I hope everybody's got good amount of oil or moisturizer on your palms. Now start making crosses on your neck for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Continue. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Relax. Now pull the muscles down from your under chin, placing your 3 fingers, tuck your muscles in near the collarbone, lift your neck up and hold. Feel the stretch at the center of your neck, the platysma muscles. Hold there for 10, 9, 8, lift up and hold. Yes. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and release. Slowly, keeping your eyes closed. Exhale and down. So if you observe, the product has been applied on your face. Yes. So this is one of the procedure wherein you can apply your cream or moisturizer daily. Okay. So that will help in better absorption as well. Now let's start working on individual facial parts. So first we'll start with the forehead. If you do not have oil or cream, again, you will take little oil or cream, activate it on your palms. Now we'll be doing forehead swipes. So generally we have those wrinkles on our forehead formed, right? So to reduce those, we'll be doing forehead swipes. Place your forefingers at the center of your forehead. Now swipe your right hand only to the temple. Keep doing it for 20 counts. 1, 2, with little pressure. 3, 4, 5, pressurize. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, elbows up. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now keeping your right fingers on the forehead, slide your left hand. 1, 2, 3, till the temple. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's repeat again on the right. We'll be doing each exercise for 3 times. Slide. 1, 2. Continue. Don't give up. 3, 4. Smile. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9. Give firm pressure. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 10. I know hands are hurting, but continue. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Smile. 3, 2, 1. One last set. One last set. Don't give up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9. Elbows up. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last on the left. 1, 2. Don't give up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 10, 9, 8. Don't give up. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and release and relax. Now observe the sensations on your forehead. Are you feeling some tingling effects on your forehead? So that means the liquid, the drainage is happening. Okay, the lymphatic fluid is draining. Okay, so now we'll move ahead with the next exercise, which is known as forehead lift. So placing your index and middle finger, taking little gap, placing it at the center of your eyebrow. Always remember to keep your spine straight. Either you are doing body yoga, face yoga, spine has to be straight. Now pressurizing this point, slide your finger up to your hairline. Now massage here and release. Let's do for 20 times. Slide up, massage, release. 2, continue. 3, 4, slide up with firm pressure. 5, 6, 7, continue. 8, excellent. 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you are not crinkling your forehead. You have to relax because we are doing all these exercises to straighten up the wrinkles. So if you crinkle, that means you're creating more lines. So get into the habit of relaxing your forehead muscles. Now let's repeat it on the right side. Placing your fingers here, you'll slide it to the right to the temples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, firm pressure, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now one last, you will be sliding it down, draining it to the collarbone and relaxing. Same way we repeat on the left, take it to the left, 1, 2. If you're comfortable with right hand, you can continue doing with right, 2, 3, give firm pressure, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slide it down, drain it to the collarbone and relax. Are you feeling your forehead muscles getting tight? Yes? Okay, very good. So now after a forehead, we'll work on our eyebrows now. Everybody want lifted eyebrows, right? We don't like droopy eyebrows. So how do we do that? Now with your index finger, placing it at the start of your eyebrow. Slide your index finger, lifting your eyebrow up. Only till your eyebrow muscle, only till your eyebrow. You're not getting it down towards your cheeks. Continue. 1, keep sliding nicely. 2, 3, 4, lift up and slide. 5, 6, 7, elbows up if possible. 9, 10, last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, lift your eyebrow up, hold there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and release, relax. This will help to lift your eyebrows up, okay? Now one more exercise, press at the start of your eyebrow and slide it down. Press at the start and slide your fingers down. Continue for 1, press and slide. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. This way you're helping the product also to get deeper into your skin. Are you feeling the sensations on your eyebrow now? Yes? Very good. Now let's work on our nose. So when we work on our nose, that will help to release any sinusitis issues as well. It clears your nasal passage also. With your index finger, place it at the inner eye corner and keep sliding it with pressure till your nostrils. Keep sliding it down for 1, 2, give firm pressure. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. Are you feeling that nose has started opening up, the nasal passage? Yes. Now you'll press the points near your nostrils, tip of your nostrils, elbows will be out. This will also help in releasing the toxins, and even it works on the complete body and organs of your body. Place here your fingers, press the point, hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly and gently release. Okay. And now there's one more point on your face that works in helping the boosting of the collagen, and it also helps in drainage of the toxins. That is just exactly under your eyes here, at the center here, at the cheekbone. Press the point, press for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and release. Relax. Okay, after the nose, let's work on our eyes. Make a V with your two fingers, index and your middle finger. Place your middle finger at the inner corner and your index at the outer corner. Elbows should be pointing out. Lift your elbows. Now, look to the right, look to the left for 20 times. 1. Start looking to the right and left. 2, 3, 4, 5. Continue. 6. This will increase blood circulation. 7, 8. Continue. 9, 10. Elbows out. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. Keep your eyes closed and relax your eyes for a second. Again, open your eyes. Let's do one more exercise for the eyes. Now placing V again, the same posture, elbows out. You will gaze at the center of your eyebrow. Look up, squint, and gaze at the center of your eyebrow. Keep gazing, feeling that stress on your eyes at the back of your eyeball. Hold there. Keep breathing in, breathing out for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, close your eyes, relax. Let your eyes relax for a second. Keep breathing in, breathing out. Now gently you may open your eyes. Now we'll be doing eye tapping. After that, we'll drain out the liquid here so that anyone having under puffiness, eye puffiness, that will be reduced. Okay, with your index and your middle finger, start tapping around your eye in circular movement. The tapping has to be gentle. Very gently, you will tap for 6 times. For 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now reverse, other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Relax. With your thumbs, you'll place it at the inner corner of your eye, slide it outward, lift it up, and drain it down. Wiggle your finger here and relax. Okay, that will help to reduce the under eye circles, thus under puffiness, eye puffiness as well, the eye bags. After that, let's move on to the cheeks. Everybody likes apple cheeks, right? Pink cheeks and that bulging apple of the cheek. So how do we develop that? Make a hook with your index finger, place it near the nostrils, and then gliding it down from your cheekbone, you lift it up and tuck your muscle up. Observe the movement, sliding it down, lifting and tucking. Okay, the same way we do it on both the sides. 1, 2, lift up and tuck. 3, that means you're creating muscle memory to stay there. Do not sag down. 4, 5, under your cheekbone. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lift and tuck. Lift and tuck. 12. Continue for 8 more. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last, lift and hold here. Create that memory for the muscle to stay there. Hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, don't give up, Amrit, and 1. Relax. I know definitely it will pain because we are not used to moving our hands so much, but then you have to develop that strength. Okay, now we'll be doing cheek whips that will help to lift our cheek muscles, the facial muscles up. So now you'll hold your left cheek with your left hand like this. And now we'll be quickly, this is zone 1 and this is zone 2. We'll quickly whip for 20 times down and 10 times up. Okay, hold and whip. 1, 2, up to the ear. You need to go at motion. The whipping has to be fast. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lift up. 9, 10. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come under your cheek. Zone 2. Up. 1, 2. Lift your cheek muscles. 3, 4. Speed. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax. Feeling sensations, vibrations on your cheek? Yes. Let's place a left hand on the right cheek. Neck straight. And with the right hand, start whipping on zone 1 first for 1, 2 from the jawline to the corner. 3, 4. Quickly. 5. Movement should be fast. 6. Lift up. 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up to zone 2, under the cheek. Lift up the cheek muscles. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Observe your cheeks, everyone. Feeling lifted? Yes? Feeling lifted, the cheeks? Yes or no? Yes. Very good. So now this is the way we can lift our cheek muscles upward. Okay, now after that, let's start working on our lips. Everybody like pout lips, right? So we always pout our lips and click a picture. So now we can have natural pout lips. How we can do that? We can pout, smile, pout and smile. That will reduce the smoker lines as well on your upper lip and your lower lip. So we'll pout, smile, pout and smile. Continue, pout and smile for 1, 2, keep pouting and smiling nicely. 3, you have to stretch. 4, 5, 6, very good. 7, continue. 8, 9, 10, keep smiling. Last 10, 9, excellent. 8, 7, 6, continue, 5, 4, 3, 2, and release. Relax. Feeling good stretch on your cheeks? Yes? Okay, after that we'll be doing smiling fish face. Okay, kissing fish face. So we'll pout, we'll blow air in our cheeks, and then we'll be giving flying kisses, okay, to our loved ones. That will help us to get nice pouty and pink lips, plus help to reduce the nasolabial lines as well as we age. So now blow your cheeks with 80% of air and pout your cheeks, your lips as well. With that friction, keep giving that flying kisses. Don't release the pout. Don't release the this thing, balloon of your cheeks. Continue. 1. Don't release the balloon. 2, 3, 4. With that friction, force you have to do. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Excellent. 10. Last 10. 9. Fill air in your cheeks. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and release. Relax. So today we are doing just one time because of time constraints. So you can do it for three times. You'll feel that pressure, and then you'll start feeling that how it works on your skin, the facial muscles. Feeling good, everyone? Already with your cheeks? Yes. So now after cheeks and our lips, we'll start working on a jawline. Everybody likes chisel jawline, right? We don't like droopy jawlines. We don't like that fat build up here. How can we cut down on the fat? Make a C with your index and your thumb. Now you place it under the chin. Incline your neck little up and stretching and gliding your finger up like this. Keep pulling it up. 1, 2, 3. Slide up. 4. Very good. 5. Keep doing. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. We'll do this for one more round. Okay, one more round. You'll feel that already your cheeks, your jawline will start lifting. Okay, the tightening happens. One more time for 20 counts. Start. 1, stretch and slide. 2, 3, 4, 5. Firm pressure. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Relax. Start pinching your jawline gently with your index and your thumb. Continue doing that for 5 times, 5 rounds on your jawline. For 3, 2, 1 last. And relax. Let's work on our neck. Everybody wants that slender neck, right? We do not like saggy neck or the double chin. So we'll be working on the neck, the platysma muscle, and the under chin, that is the double chin. So what we'll do, we'll be sliding a finger and tucking the muscle here on your collarbone. You'll raise your neck up. After raising your neck up, you'll pull your lower lip on your upper lip like this. Okay, that will give an extra stretch to this muscle of your neck. So that will help in reducing the double chin as well. Slide your finger, lift up. Be careful, anyone with neck issues will not drop your neck too much back. Lift up. Now pull your lower lip on your upper lip and hold. Keep breathing in, breathing out. Feel that extra pressure, the pull at the center of your neck. That will work well on your thyroid glands as well. Do not move your hand. Sharad sir, don't move your hand. Just tuck your fingers and hold. For 10, 9, 8. Keep breathing in, breathing out. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Continue holding. 2, 1. Last 1. Don't move your hands. You have to keep your hands stuck on your collarbone. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly keeping your eyes closed, you'll exhale and come down. Let your eyes be closed, exhale and come down. Once you feel comfortable, you may open your eyes. Always remember, when you're lifting your neck up, when you come down, keep your eyes closed and come down, because there's too much of blood flow towards your brain. So that's gush of the blood flow. So you have to come down very slowly. Where did you feel the stretch when you lifted your neck up and you pulled your lower lip? Yes, this muscle. So it works on your neck. Okay. So one more exercise we'll be doing for the neck and the double chin. Make a fist with your right hand and place the fist under your chin. Now you can support your right elbow with your left palm like this. Yes. Keep pressurizing your fist under your chin and your chin on your fist. So there's the resistance between the chin and the palm, fist. Keep pressurizing. Hold for 1, 2. Keep breathing in, breathing out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Continue. 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and release the pressure. Relax. You can do this while you're just sitting idly or watching TV. That will start working on your double chin. One more exercise for your neck and double chin. Again, make a fist and place it under your chin. And pressurizing your fist, lift your neck up. Feeling the stretch on your neck. Now open and close your mouth. Open and close your mouth. Simultaneously keep giving pressure with your fist under your chin. Yes, continue that for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keeping your eyes closed, exhale and slowly come down and relax. So this works wonders for reducing the double chin, okay? So now after that, we'll massage our ears. There are many lymph nodes behind our ears. When you massage it, that will help to increase blood circulation throughout the face as well and help to drain the lymphatic fluid. That means more of pure blood flow towards your face. That means natural glow on your face. So once you start massaging, you'll start feeling that the heat has already generated on your face. Okay, now you'd make a V. Place the first 3 fingers on your cheek and your index finger will go behind your ear. Start massaging. Lift your arms up and keep rubbing. Continue. Keep massaging nicely. Lifting your elbows up. Very good. Keep massaging and slowly slide your fingers down and drain it to the collarbone. Wiggle your fingers and relax. We'll do this for 2 more times. Again, placing your fingers, elbows out, start massaging. Neck relax. Relax your neck. Keep massaging nicely. Start feeling the heat generated. And slowly slide your finger down to the collarbone, wiggle and relax. One last. Again, massage. Very good. Keep rubbing nicely. Slowly slide your finger down to the collarbone. Wiggle the fingers here at the collarbone. Drain out all the toxins and relax. Are you feeling heat generated on your face already? Yes. So now after this, I'll show you few pressure points, the acupressure points that will work wonders to release stress from your facial muscles. It will work good if you have any sinusitis issues, okay? Or if you have migraine issues as well. The first, it's a very common point. Everyone knows that, pressing at the Agnya Chakra, the center of your forehead. Your spine has to be straight. Place your index finger at the center of your forehead. Keep pressurizing with a firm pressure. Now make small circular movements first, 3 times clockwise and 3 times anti-clockwise. Hold there now, pressurize the point, hold. Keep breathing in, breathing out. Let your eyes be closed. Just relax and drop all the tension. Just pressurize the point. Hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly release the point, release the pressure, relax your hand. This will give instant relaxation to you. You feel your muscle has started relaxing, and that will even reduce any sort of migraine issues or there's any blockage in your nostrils or the nasal passage, okay? The next point is at your temples. So you can clench your teeth and you will observe that something is bulging out at your forehead. Did you find that point? Something bulging out? So that's your temple. Now pressurize your index and your middle finger here. Hold, give pressure. Spine straight and eyes closed. Just take normal breath in and out. Keeping your eyes closed, keep pressurizing with firm pressure. Hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now make circular movements, gentle circular movements for 1, 2, 3. Other side, reverse as well. 1, 2, and 3. Now slowly release the pressure and relax. This will also help to reduce any sort of migraine or headache problems, whichever you have. Okay, so the next point is just behind your earlobe. Okay, there's a point, you'll find a depression, a soft pressure point here behind your earlobe. So finding that point, elbows pointing out, pressurize that point for a few seconds, keeping your eyes closed. There's a lot of stress stored at this point. So when you press and then after you drain, that means you're releasing out all the stress and worries. Pressurize the point, hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now slide your finger down to your collarbone. Wiggle at the collarbone, releasing the tensions out of the body, dusting off all the worries, and relax. Let your eyes be closed. Just observe your muscles relaxing, your face calming down. Slowly, you may open your eyes. We'll be doing one exercise which is known as muscle relaxer. So you've worked so much on your facial muscles. Doing this will help you to relax your facial muscles, okay? So how do we do that? We'll blow out air, wide open our eyes, then relax. Just observe me and then we'll do that for 12 times, like this. So you're lifting your eyebrow, opening your eyes, and then relaxing. You're blowing out. So let's do that for 12 times. The pressure should come from your belly. And relax. Let your eyes be closed. Keep your eyes closed. Relax your facial muscles. Observe the sensations and changes. Observe the muscles relaxing as you breathe in and breathe out. Observe the heat in your facial muscles. Just inhale, exhale, and relax. Let your forehead muscles relax. Let your eye muscles relax. Cheek muscles relax. The neck muscles relax. Breathe in, breathe out, and relax. Breathe in, breathe out, and relax. Now gently rub your palms nicely, generate heat between your palms. This is known as palming. This will also relax your facial muscles. Generate heat between your palms. After generating heat, just cup your palms on your eyes. Just cup your palms on your eyes. Observe the transfer of heat on your facial muscles. Observe the energy. Relax your facial muscles, your eye muscles. One more time, rub your palms nicely. Place your palms on your head. Just place your palms on your head, relaxing the muscles, the nervous system. Breathe in, breathe out, and relax. One last time, rub your palms nicely. Rub, 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 generate heat. Place your palms, take the heat on your neck, relaxing your neck muscles. Breathe in, breathe out, and relax. Slowly drop down your efforts, relaxing your hands. Feeling comfortable, you may open your eyes. How are you all feeling? You worked on your facial muscles, you relaxed your facial muscles. We've already started glowing. How are you all feeling? Feeling good? Very nice. So you can adopt few exercises every day, make it a routine, either in the morning or the night, and then work on these muscles every day. You'll start feeling how the blood circulation on your face increases, how your skin starts glowing, and then you'll feel that there's a lot of improvement, the change in the texture of your skin as well, because a lot of oxygen has already started supplying on your face. Okay, feeling good? Happy everyone?
Yes,
Very good.
Yes,
Nice.
very much.
Okay, thank you so much.
Very much.